We got Walmart deli for dinner. And shout out to Chris. We're having Orange Crush for you. It's my first time trying it too.
Is it good?
Yeah, tastes like orange soda. Tastes like the drink that you have to drink whenever they're testing you for gestational diabetes, but not as thick. Same flavor. I'm gonna share it with my husband because he's a fan of orange drinks like Fanta. We're getting the oil changed in my Jeep before we sell it.
And also we found a car that has 2 TVs in the back, and then there's a very back with 3 seats. It's pretty cool, but I'm sad that we're gonna sell the Jeep, but I'm happy that we're gonna get.
Hot.
Can't wait to eat that.
I got the honey barbecue chicken.
Can I try it? Good.
Mm-hmm.
And I got the corn chicken.
Popcorn chicken.
Popcorn chicken.
My son wanted to know, Chris, if you like this stuff too. He got the popcorn chicken and then the buffalo wings. He wanted to participate in having something for you as well. Do you want to try the Orange Crush soda?
Oh, yes.
Yeah?
I don't know if I have tried it before.
I don't think so.
Good Fanta.
Yeah.
Should got me done too. It's actually good. Also, me and my mama made a deal. If we find the Undertaker, then I can get it.
Oh, forgot about, you also got potato wedges.
Can you give me one?
Love a potato. Last sip of Crush for Chris.
And also will
I like
be
that.
my
Crush
last
for
sip.
Chris.
Last one. I hope you're gonna live a happy life, Chris.
Thanks so much for watching. Bye.